be taking this screen apart. Y'all see this glue that popped out? We're gonna take it apart. Seen a couple different videos on it where they take this front piece off and supposedly it fixes the issue. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna try it out. This is a 20, what year is this, bro? 2018 Scat. How many miles it got?
Like 40 something.
40-something thousand miles and the screen's already doing this to you? That's some BS, Dodge. You got the key?
Yeah.
So as y'all can see, I'm not even doing nothing. It's just acting up. So let's give it a try. We're gonna start by taking off this bezel here, all the way around. It got clips basically all throughout here. I think it got like 8 clips. Show y'all here in a sec. So I started down here. You got some clips down here. You just want to be real careful with this edge right here. There's another one there. Should be another one, maybe 2 in here. I'll show y'all here in a sec. So we got the bottom. Just gonna have to hit the top right here. This top and this corner is real tight. So here go the dash. That's what them clips were. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I just popped these off, guys. You got 4 of these. One up there, one here, one here, one there. Pop right out. Let's go try to fix it. All right, so as you can see, I'm working on removing the adhesive. I got a little pry bar and I use these on all. I tell y'all, if y'all watch my videos, I use these on a lot of stuff. These come in handy. I got different styles. Definitely pick you some of these up. But yeah, I'm just working on the adhesive. You want to be very careful because you can see this right here. You do not want to mess it up. It's basically wired into the bottom where all the electrical is. So be very careful when you get to that area. But I'm just working in this adhesive, this glue. Trying to break it up, get this top screen off. Just be patient. See all that glue? Oh man, stuff is sticky. Look at that. Show y'all a better view.
One hour later.
So here we are, 3 hours later. Nah, maybe about a good hour into it. We used alcohol, microfiber rags. We're gonna give it a couple more little passes, little touch up. We did, you see, still got some glue right there. We did hit this, but we're real careful. We didn't want to put too much. We didn't want to wet it too much, so we're gonna go back and touch it up again. Y'all see Demonology, Soul Snatcher. Y'all go check them out on YouTube, Instagram. So there it goes after cleaning it a couple times. All that glue, after all that scrubbing, we cleaned it off right there too. So here's the aftermath. We just hit it with some Windex after an hour or two of just cleaning it. Look nice and clean. All right, so we are close to the end. We put Gorilla double-sided tape around the edge because the purpose of that other glue was to kind of give it that little heat, to exchange that heat that the screen builds up. So it definitely needs something in between. So we're about to close it up and give it a try. See if it works. I have to position it. So here it is, as clean as we could get it. That right there is just from usage. It's pretty good. Let's go test it out. So putting it back is real easy. Reverse the steps, plug it in. Each single one has its color. So we just turned it on. We letting it program, kind of sync up. And let's go to touching it. Oh! It's working, guys. Looks like it's working, guys. So that right there, see, I did this video just recording and say, you know what, maybe it works, maybe it don't work. We're gonna have to give it a try. This Scat Pack has 40,000 miles on it. It started happening maybe at like 30,000. The screen started, the glue started coming off. This is the second time we actually take it apart and do, well, this time we actually took off the adhesive, but everything seems to be working. As y'all see at the beginning of the video, everything was just acting crazy. Let's try to pair the phone. All right, guys, so we let it load up. Everything is functioning. Everything works. Now it's red, huh? It was blue. Y'all seeing it was blue right now. It was red. Originally it was red, so it just took a minute and it went back to its settings. ain't seen these pages. So it keeps up with it as you're driving? The dyno?
Yeah.
That's badass. It's ready.
Yeah.
You ain't done them yet?
Not yet.
So this Scat Pack, guys, it ain't even broken in yet. He said he's scared of the speed.
Nah, hell no.
But yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you fix the, this is an 8.4 UConnect. This is a 2018 Scat. I'm gonna pull it up there, bro. Give y'all a little walk around. Finna go get a pull in. That gray hit nice.
I be fucking some shit up, man.
Put the pages on there. You got it in sports right now?
Yeah.
Hit this right here, and it's a straight shot. And then make a right over there. Yeah, right here with that. Back this way. Right here. Yeah, that bitch get it. That bitch get it. You can make a right, and then there's another, you can do another little pull over there. Ooh. He gonna make me go get a Scat.
Bro, you got to, I'm telling you. I've been trying to tell them niggas.
Y'all see? For real? Y'all hear that? Hey, this going on YouTube for that. First one driving it. Here, you handle that. Just hold it. Traction off?
It's off.
It's off? Sports mode, huh? If it's ready to take off. I ain't gonna slide it right here. It's too small right here. I'm not trying to fuck no shit up. This shit cool. I'm gonna show y'all, bro. I'm going to the dealership today. Yeah, that bitch wanna go, bro. I barely hit the gas. I definitely get one of these, bro. What y'all think? Y'all think I should hop in the Scat? You said it's straight pipe, right?
Yeah.
It sounds good.